Question number 1. Who in the beginning presented the idea of Indian Constituent Assembly in pre-independence day? Option number A. M.N. Roy. Question number 2. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number B. The Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Question number 3. How many women members were there in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Option number A. 15. 4. Who was the first elected chairman of Constituent Assembly? Option number B. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. 5. The Constitution of India was adopted by? Option number C. Indian Constituent Assembly. 6. The chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constituent Assembly was? Option number C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 7. Who was the chairman of advisory committee on fundamental rights and minorities constituent by the Constituent Assembly? Option number B. Sardar Patel. 8. Who was the chairman of the provincial constitution committee of the Constituent Assembly? Option number D. Sardar Patel. 9. How many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formation of Indian Constitution? Option number C. 11. 10. Which of the following was not included when the writing of Constitution of India was completed on 29th November 1949? Option number B. Fundamental duties. 11. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Option number C. Representative. 12. The Constitution of India is a republican because it? Option number D. Has no hereditary elements. 13. Who said India is a quasi-federal state? Option number D. K.C. Ware. 14. From which of the following country did Indian Constitution borrowed the feature of the written Constitution? Option number C. UK. 15. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of federation from the Constitution of? Option number B. Canada. 16. Name of the country from which the constitutional features of procedure for amendment was borrowed by India? Name the country. Option number B. South Africa. 17. The concept of single citizenship in the Indian Constitution is inspired by which country? Option number D. England. 18. The idea of including the emergency provisions in the Constitution of India has been borrowed from the? Option number B. Weimar Constitution of Germany. 19. The concept of concurrence list in the Constitution of India was borrowed from the Constitution of? Option number D. Australia. 20. The concept of a union of states in the Indian Constitution has been derived from? Option number C. The British North American Act. 21. The preamble of our Constitution reads India as? Option number A. Sovereign, socialist, democratic, republic, secular. 22. Which one of the following words was not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution in 1947? Words not included. 22. Option number D is the correct answer. Integrity. 22. The justice described in the preamble of the Indian Constitution has been accepted in which form? Option number B is the correct answer. All of the above. Political justice, economic justice, social justice. 24. I think it was 23. 24. In which of the following cases Supreme Court has held that the preamble forms constitution part of the? Option number C. Bombay versus Union of India. 25. The word socialist was inserted into the preamble to the Constitution of India through which one of the following amendment acts? Option number B. 42nd Amendment Act. 26. Which articles of the Constitution are related to citizenship? Option number C. Articles 5 to 11. 27. In which part of the Constitution of India we find the provisions relating to citizenship? Option number C. Part 2. 28. A person will lose his citizenship if? Option number D, all of the above. If he voluntarily surrenders his citizenship, the government withdraws his citizenship. He voluntarily accepts citizenship of another country, he will lose. 29. What does the Citizenship Act of 1955 confer? Option number D, all of the above. Citizenship by birth, by descent, by registration. 30. CAA Bill 2019 provides a path to Indian citizenship for persons belonging to religious minority groups persecuted in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. All of the above is the correct answer. Option number D. 31. Which of the following is not possible by a law of parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution? D. Admission of a new states. 32. Part 6 of our Constitution is related to Part 6. Option number B. The states. 33. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Option number B. 5th schedule. 34. The provisions of 6th schedule of Indian Constitution are applicable in which of the following states? Option number A. Tripura. 35. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option number C. 371C. Meghalaya is not correctly matched. 36. After independence, in which year were the Indian states reorganized on the linguistic basis? Option number C. 1956. 37. Which is the first ever state constituted on linguistic basis? Option number B. Andhra Pradesh. 38. Haryana state was formed on 1st November 1966 on the recommendation of? Option number C. Sardar Hukum Singh. 39. Sikkim was made an integral part of India under the? Option number A. 36th Amendment. 40. The National Capital Territory of Delhi is created by which Amendment Act? Option number B. 69. 41. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in our Constitution? Option number B. 6. 42. According to the Constitution of India, which of the following is enforceable in the court? Option number D. Fundamental rights. 43. Which one of the following is not included in the fundamental rights embodied in the Constitution of India? Option number D. Right to information. 44. Fundamental rights are given in which part of the Indian Constitution? Option number B. Part 3. 45. In the Indian Constitution, the right to equality is granted by 5 articles. They are? Option number B. Article 14 to Article 18. 46. In which article of the Constitution equal protection of law is provided? Option number C. Article 14. 47. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth? Option number D. Article 15. 48. Article 17 of the Constitution of India deals with the abolition of untouchability. Option number B is the correct answer. 49. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution guarantees freedom of press? Option number B. Article 19. 50. The Supreme Court has declared access to the internet a fundamental right under Article dash of the Indian Constitution. Option number C. 19. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.